Good afternoon, my name is Nicolas. Now I'm going to talk about the videos. Abortion is one of the most controversial issues in today's society. Raises ethical, moral, and legal questions because it involves the decision to end pregnancy. In the video, the speaker defends abortion as woman's right to choose and argues that give her freedom and control over her own body. However, I strongly disagree with this point of view. First, this argument ignores the fact that life begins at conception, which means abortion ends the life on conception, meaning abortion is an action. And birth child. Second, abortion can cause serious emotional and psychological consequences for women which are often minimized. There are safer and more human alternatives such as adoption which protect both the mother and the baby. In conclusion, in my opinion, abortion should not be legalized because protecting the life of innocent human beings is more important than promoting the freedom to the end. Um, and gun control the use. Gun control is one of the most debated used in the United States. It's about finding a balance between the right to bear arms and the urgent need to reduce violence and mass shooting. In the video shows one Hillary Clinton as in favor strict gun control laws. Donald Trump defends the right to own guns without further restriction. I disagree with this opinion if we say that strict laws will completely stop violence. We forget that criminals often find illegal ways to obtain guns. On the other hand, if we say that almost anyone should have access to guns, we discredit the risk of accidents and mass shooting by extreme position. Ignore the need for responsibility and safety. In conclusion, my opinion is that the United States needs balanced gun regulation, stricter background check education, on responsible use, better control to reduce violence while still protecting civilian rights. Thank you so much.